Hi, it's Lloyd from Poseidon Boat. We have one project from the United Nations which we have been started. So we make the series video to show the progress of this project. And you see we have made this special panel to see all the details, the progress. It's 10-meter catamaran patrolling boat for the United Nations, and it's been certified by the class of Lloyd register. So the stage now we have been start fabrication on 16th of April, and now we have been finished the first phase of inspection by the Lloyd surveyors with the kill sand of the boat. So you see all the structures have been finished and being welded by the welding specifications provided by the surveyors and the design companies. So we have a walk around. You see the frame, all the structure is quite strong. It's quite thick. Aluminum plate is 6 mils for the inner instructions, and this plate is 8 mils, 6 mils for the bottom plate, and the transom plate is 12 mm. This is a special request for the transom plate for hold the outboard engines is 12 mm. So all the welding on the certain position will be also do the testing by the surveyors to make sure it's very qualified. Now the stage is after we finish the survey for the kill sand, we pulled all the bottom plate at this stage. So for the next phase of surveyor, I'll make another video to show the progress. So you see the back, we have another 3 jigs which is ready. So once this one flip over, we'll be starting another 3 bolts for this project of totally 4 units of patrolling boats. Okay, thank you.